Yeah, big up crew them all over the world. We are keep on supporting us over the years. Want to see the vision, we're doing the work. So stay tuned with us for the journey, yeah?
Of course.
All right.
And also, this show is sponsored by World Mag Entertainment, and there's a few events that you should look out for. Look out for 25th of December, DIA comes to town, the 18th anniversary, all courtesy of the man himself, Mr. IAP. All right, so it's going to be taking place into a plush venue. It's a red carpet style, so look out for that one. And also on the 14th of March, All Black and Shares, all courtesy of DJ Swift, here to your party. You know, a big something that the team are going to be there as well. And entrance, all white party, the 25th of December, as Christmas Day. Christmas, oh, is it the 20th? No, it's 25, it's the 22nd of December.
22nd.
My apologies for that. So it's a 25 years and over. And people, the new issue of the Daya magazine is out right now, so you can go onto the website and check it out, www.worldmag.com or .co.uk, whichever one you choose to, and you can find. The cover is featuring Patrice Roberts. She's a soca queen, stage commander. She run the stage when she go up on the stage and go on with a bag of things, bacchanal.
Hold on, now. Let me just start about the day a little bit. I don't know the woman them so skill, you know. The woman them still wear the skimpy clothes and pan their magazine, you know, the brave in the winter, yeah. Big up the girl them still, I don't know now win.
Of course.
Winnings.
I'm not going with myself. But anyway, people, this is the moment we have been waiting for. This is, the stadium is full, the stage is set, and it's time for showtime. This evening's special guest, he goes by the name of Robert Rowe. You may not know who that is, but more popularly known as dancehall DJ Lizard is here with us this evening. Good evening, sir. Welcome to the show.
Yeah, well gone.
There. Give thanks.
Right.
I must met this to record. When we asked Lizard to forward to the interview, it wasn't a hesitation. Straight away, I see him face to face. I asked him, say, boom, him ready, and him there from before 9 o'clock, people. Lizard was here at Lizard linked me from 8:45 and the interview is 10 o'clock. So me say this for some artists and some other personals understand the importance of punctuality and know who Lizard is, and he's here at 8:45 and his interview is at 10. So we continue. Alright, so give thanks and thank you very much for coming to the show this evening.
Yeah, man.
Yes, so for those who don't know you, can you just introduce yourself for me, please?
Yeah, dancehall DJ selector, aka the governor, you understand? The world boss himself, Lizard, you see me I say?
But you have so many different names.
Yeah, man.
Accolades. Talk to me about the names that you have so far.
Yeah, originally my name Lizard from young, say about 10. My mother first called me the name there.
Your mother give you the name?
Yeah.
Why did she give you that name?
Not like she give me the name. She just say, hey, move from us and stop when like you're a lizard now. You get me? And you know when you're in a yard with picnic, if from them hear something, you know, like a new thing now, like everything a why. Yeah, we build why long time.
Yeah.
But anyway, if we don't know Lizard mother, recently if you've been watching his story on the grammar Facebook, you see man and mother, them have a perfect relationship. They're
True,
very happy,
brother.
partying all over Jamaica. So you know the thing.
I'm a
so,
best friend, man.
Yeah.
Why my microphone so loud?
No, man, you're good, man. You're good.
Yeah,
What country levels?
Yeah, my best friend. My mom lives in Queens, New York. You know, and the last time you see me and her, get me, never see her from 1996. Yeah, so January was nothing.
1996?
Yeah, is me.
Was there a reason for that?
Yeah, my mom stubborn. Oh. Yeah, and true, me used to live in America, and we had this, can't hear myself, we had some issue over that side. You know, so we did kind of can't
go with
that side and beg her all the time, yo, where buy the ticket for you forward? She said, nah, because me have 3 but over here.
Yeah.
You understand? And we say, yo, money is not the issue, man. We do everything. You come to your mom, but she will decide this.
She just decides that she not forward.
I'll move when I want to move.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That explains it. So you've been living in the UK since is it from
1998?
1998.
November 1998.
Talk us through you entering the UK for the first time.
Yeah, I found out in the UK for the first time, and I never had a pre-music. You know? Yeah, I not pre-say, but that's not come change my life, you know? Yeah, because with a Jamaican every 5 seconds is a new war, you know.
Okay, so was it for a change?
Yeah, man. You can't wake up 9 morning gunshot, you know, down the road, up the road, you know, when people will end them grow together, you know. So that's the sense, you know. I'm gonna leave this, you know, man.
So where in Jamaica were you originally from?
I'm originally born and grew Kingston 13. Spent some time at Kingston 11 when I Olympic way, but I'm originally a Kingston 13. Born at Kingston 13.
Okay.
When you're born at your house?
So
Yeah.
you're born at an hospital thing and then you move go down that part there.
I'm born at my house, 28 and a half St. Joseph Road.
Okay, so you've been living here in the UK from roughly over, that's what, 1998? 21 years now.
Mm-hmm.
So you've been here a while.
Yep.
Okay. So you come to the UK now was it as a juvenile or?
Nah, man. Cause I don't know if
No, me I try to work with the age. I mean, I really want to
So as far as previous interview goes, like when we have other DJs come inside the studio and they tell me a few things about the music over here and who we are, some of the pioneer for changing certain stigma and the style of dancehall selecting. And your name call and say like when you come on to toasting the mic, you was one of the pioneer who come here would change the whole ball game about that. Yep. So I guess that's in the early 90s, I was guess.
No,
late 90s.
Yeah. 98, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because when we forward in and England it's still there on the reaching out and reaching in.
Yeah.
Kind of vibe, you know, when I'm on the yes. Big up Sister Clara, big up, you know. Yeah. Yeah, understand. One and two people did a drink champagne. You understand?
So why you come and change the game?
My forward, I'm change the game because when I forward them, I say I'll select wear uniform. You know, because them trying to emanate with Stone Lover going with a Jamaica.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you have a sound and name Rick UpnLive, everybody when you come out you have a white t-shirt and blue jeans.
That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I come in the first time I come to England, you know, the first night I come to England, I go and dance, you know. Yeah.
The first night?
I come here Saturday night. From here Jamaica. You understand?
That means a long time because you Jamaica so far
yeah,
from England.
And my brethren them bring me go and dance the same night. I met them say at same night me end up go to one house party and then straight to Club Lex. I almost lose my life that night there. Two man I come out of the dance where one I drop me home and them a race. You know? And try hold a corner and can't hold it and slam in a wall. When I wake up I just be a white smoke me and see the airbag explode. Yeah,
and you just reach England.
Just reach England, brother.
That makes sense. Yeah. So you weren't doing music from Jamaica then?
Man.
So talk us through the early connection with music. How did you connect with music first?
At first, I don't know if you know me, if you ever watch me a dancer. Yeah, I'm born a dance. Because my mother used to go dance with me in her belly. You understand? So I'm born a dance. So when I grew up, I was a dancer that me end up in an Admiral Bailey video. Della Move. Yeah. I was the star. I think I need a longer program, about 3 hours.
Yeah.
So you did in an Admiral Bailey video. We have a look for that.
And a history, because you're not going to see my face.
Okay.
You're going to see my yellow travel fox. And I was the star man. Admiral Bailey come on my yard, pick me out and say, yes, and you come here, say, you're the baddest dancer. Yeah. He give me a bicycle and give me 1 box of Heineken, 1 box of Guinness, and a box of Red Stripe. And say, listen, give it to your crew them. I'm going to bring everybody. Me the choreographer, everything. My brother we can't dance. See me in the video. And just me alone face them the show in the video. Then they show me yellow trouble fox.
Then again, justice.
That was the biggest drama in my community for a while because the man was like, yo, listen, you know why them not put you in a video, you know, you're too ugly.
No, and that's another thing again. I realized that when people paint you that picture, say, oh, Lizard ugly and this, you don't shy away from it.
Nah, bruh. I just my name ugly.
You just accept it.
Yeah.
And people, if how you behave on the microphone, people would be like hesitant to in like real life situation, but it's far from what people may think. Because in a real life situation, you're a person that, from my experience, I can speak that you're very easy to talk to and approachable.
I know you see me, you know, you see me in the dance them.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try, you know, I'm gonna try to be like rough up people at themselves. I'm the nicest person you can ever make until.
But while you say that,
Yeah.
I must interject this point. Recently we were at a party. It was All Black and Shades party. Not All Black and Shades, sorry. Buckle Match Buckle party. And prior to you playing, you were just sitting there and watching everything. And your entry we posted your entry onto our social media feed.
Gone
and
viral.
Yes, and it got quite a response. People asking me if to send them the video. Manchester all over asking me for the video. What triggered that response?
It's like nowadays the DJs them have some style where it's, I don't know if you know this, but you said the money pull up.
Yeah.
I was the one that created that.
You sure?
Worldwide, and me created that. Yeah, I'm not getting a recognition for the things that we do for England, you know.
So how you? No. You stated some fact, something.
Right,
you need to give me some facts.
All right. You said the brother when I'm Eds.
Yeah.
Yeah, from Aquarius.
Yeah.
Yeah. Him was the one that prompted the idea. Yeah, and me carry it out. Yeah, because back in the days, 2001, we still a use record. Yeah.
Yeah.
So one party did a keep a boat ride. Yeah, the whole town was geared for go to the boat ride. Anyway, it looked like too much people enter and they couldn't go, the boat ride couldn't go on. So me did a play one barbecue. Forgot to the place name, man. Like when you go and fly over. One place where wait name they used to own, man. The two brother them gone to prison for some murder with them to commit. Them used to be a drinks man back in the days.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyway, them a keep a barbecue in another place there, and me book for the barbecue. Yeah. You see when it turn up about 10:30, the whole boat ride.
Where the boat ride can't go on.
Turn up at the event, yeah. So all of them man they did make money from back in the days where we come out with that 10 grand and 5 grand with them pocket. Yeah, if we come shell down the boat ride, end up forward at my party. Yeah. So when me a play now and me and Gappy Crucial Vina start them time they know. Yeah. And a man comes up, boom, I say, pull up that song there. And me hear Ed's in the corner and say, yo, any man wanna start me now. Just tell them to give you money, you know. So it's like something just say, yo, I say any man touch my record have to pay me, you know. Any man want a record for playback and have to pay me, you know.
Yeah.
It's like the man them went mad. Yeah. That night me come out of the party with nearly 7 grand.
Yeah.
Yeah. You ask Archangel, Ian, Walter, even Eds himself. Yeah. Because when me done, me give Gappy about 1,500. Yeah. And me just start give some man 200. I can't give myself, yeah. Yeah. But just start give some man 200. Yeah. And from this up, everybody take on the fuck that, yo, if you touch my song, if you want to hear what or something there, money pull up.
So you start the money pull up.
Cause you know me me fierce. You understand? Yeah. If I say something, that me mean, yeah. And if me say you can't touch my song without you play, put up my money. And me say it turn around now, people are use it against me now.
Yeah. But
people are fight for play before me because of the money pull up.
So it was that what you seen at that particular.
Yeah, it ticked me off because I was there.
Yeah.
I came there. I saw 5 DJs.
Yeah. I
waited until those 5 DJs play. So I know on my turn.
Yeah.
Because the promoter never said to me, "Say Lizard, you go play XYZ." That means it's every man for himself.
Everybody who when you come and you see a DJ, you know, so you fall in a place.
Right.
All right. That makes sense.
So me fall in my place. So me look, me say 2 other DJ turn up, and the 2 other DJ will turn up after me. Want to jump the queue before me.
Okay.
Yeah.
So hold on, when I beat around the bushes, do you think some of the DJ them really skittle out the thing by going too hard for the money pull up thing?
Yes, man.
And them I mash up a lot of events with the money pull up because like
when a DJ play some nice hip hop, it was all a dream. And then and when him come off your ear and when you hear me have couple of my friend.
Yeah.
3 songs. After you done a rock the party and have the party I swing in your answer and people say yeah. Everybody play them part.
Yeah.
Then all of a sudden, then you drop them 3 songs there. You're hustling the thing, bruv.
Yeah.
You're hustling the thing. And people blatantly see it. But most people won't talk. Yeah? But it upset me sometimes. It don't bother me, you know. It's not like I'm on a beat out song in front of me. Because there's no DJ on the planet can outplay me. You understand? Because you will play out your belly and me will come on and make one speech and write off everything. But
because you are well known for like your big speeches and stuff, and everybody knows you're good with that. But a lot of people in the dancehall fraternity is kind of saying like Lizard can chat about Lizard feisty and Lizard this and Lizard hype and Lizard that and what you have to tell them?
No, I'm a feisty, but I'm not hype. I'm never an hype person. I'm hype when time I up on the microphone and I work me I do.
Yeah.
You understand? Because if you work at Tesco, me can come tell you how to pack your shelf them, you know, you understand?
Yeah.
So you see when me I work at my hype that where me keep me on the top in the top 2 for 20 odd years. You understand? So me no want nobody come try to trick me and tell me say, oh, you're feisty because you try to water me down because you want your friend elevate to the top. No. Never ever feisty because guess what? Me not hurt nobody. You understand? Me everything when me talk are the truth.
And some people would say, contrary to what you believe, you only can play at certain events.
Me
You
play
can-
every event, brother.
And they say that you're only fit to play a certain type of only dancehall, the rock dancehall party.
I know, brother. You do your homework. I've played in Italy, played in France, I've played in Jamaica, yeah. I've played in America. You understand? Yeah, I play a christening, I play a baby party. You understand? I can fit in everywhere. You see me? If you book me for your christening, you don't have to tell me, say, I'm Blizzard, no swearing.
Yeah.
I'm known. I play at church. You understand? Yeah. It's a stigma where sometimes people put on you, how the DJs put on you, you know?
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah, because if them want to you down or them push them sideline you, it's better for them. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah, so me the
Right.
dancehall business over here is very corrupt. I hear it's even worse than Jamaica. Would you agree with me? Say they selected them, now no unity, now no love for them, one another in UK or in London, I should say.
All over the world, I saw them staying, brother.
Most of them here because like I see so much disgruntled things
Show
and
them love all
yeah.
the while, brother. You and them will stand up yourself all a reason. Yeah. And when I laugh and I talk, and as soon as theme time to play, you forget the whole love and reasoning where you're going with. You get me? It's like him alter ego come out. Yeah. So promoters now where overbook songs. So you keep an event and you have 6 songs on it. Alright, 2 play, 4 left, 1.5 hour left in the dance. In my mind, I check it up and I say 15, 20, 20, you know? So everybody can get a piece of it. So anyway, me we play third and jump off in a 15 to 18 minutes. Someone knows that somebody else can.
You can get a little yet.
And next man do that, brother. And next man do that. I'm gonna show you how far as I go. Ask Gangster Kid, ask World Power, ask Ancho. May I play already? Yeah, the man them book for the dance. Them a come from one dance. Yeah, and them a come at the dance. Yeah? But them want to play if you go on next dance. Yeah, I'm gonna start play 3 songs already. I'm gonna see DJ come up and him look disgruntled because I'm in here say I'm a 3rd song. Yeah, so me just say, you want me stop and make you come and say like you can do what you do and cut and go do what you do. I say you man. Nobody never do that for Lizard yet. Yeah, it's like a fear.
Yeah.
You know.
So you feel like it's everyone most people is a bit vindictive towards Lizard, the Lizard brand.
Most of them, brother. 1 and 2 of them would just say, you know what, and work with it because it don't look bad. But most of the time, them try some hold on thing, brother. You get me?
All right, you are here now, so I can ask you this question. A couple weeks ago, we had another DJ here. I don't know if he's your arch rival. We know you're probably good, but at one point there was a rift between you and Archangel. There was a clash, and this is his words. I'm trying to repeat what he said.
Him say you kill him over north and him come back a south, come kill her. Him kill her south and come kill him back a north, something like that. Vice.
They look a thing when we try a south never work. Cause them me did get robbed.
But him say a 1-1. Say a 1-1.
And a 1.5, man.
So what I know.
You say a 1.5.
Yeah.
But that no sound.
A 1.5 because if me and you in a clash,
Yeah.
and the rules is don't play back no song, and you play back song.
Disqualified.
Yeah, you should have been disqualified. You should not be in the final with me.
Yeah.
You understand? And afterwards, I show them the video and say, listen, you do something you're not supposed to do, so you shouldn't in the final. And me and somebody else shouldn't in the final. You must say, boy, I saw it go. So I still not game 1.
So hold on, so it's a half.
In the half, me game.
Would there be a rematch?
All right.
Yeah.
So these things do you think is relevant for dancehall music right now over here in UK? Because
friendly clash.
dancehall was made up on rivals and friendly clash and things. Do you feel?
I like a friendly clash.
Yeah, but a lot of selector, a lot of them won't consider doing something like this, a tune for tune, just to build that energy, because we see it happening between artists and artists, because we're all big people and we know don't pass certain boundary. It's fun, friendly clash, as we say, and it's all about entertainment, because you're a selector, he's a selector. Sometimes a party reach that level where people tired of the everyday money pull up on the this and that, they want to see something different in the party.
Yeah.
I think the UK kind of need a little step in as some of them changes sometime.
Man, them coward, yeah, man.
Yeah, I think so.
Man, them coward, bad.
You feel so?
Yeah. Me not have no bag of dub. You understand? Because me not run down no bag of dub, because spend my life savings to go get this a dub, and then 3 weeks time me can't play it again. But when me have. Yeah? And even if you tell some man say, yo, it's a 45 clash, I'm back out.
Yeah. You feel say them free the clash, are they not free the lizard?
Them just coward. Them not make good. Them coward. Yeah? A man just afraid for say, boy, him gonna lose. Come on, man, it's a clash. Get me? Somebody have a window.
Yeah.
Yes. That's how them look on it. Me not afraid of, brother. Me just step in any arena. You ever notice me yet? Not care how much sound up on the bill. Me very confident. That's how me do my thing in a life. When it comes to music, me not see nobody way me afraid of. Yeah? All when you have $1 million dub.
Would you consider yourself top 5 or top 3?
Top 2.
You sure about that?
Sure.
So in this top 2 atmosphere, who would you consider
Me not
yourself
call
up there?
nobody name but me in top 2.
You're not the top 2, so
Yeah.
the rest of them I just make up the rest of number of the top 6.
Yeah.
Okay.
And for the last say 5 years gone, would you consider yourself be running the front, or you chasing?
No, me not gonna say me a run. Me up there. You understand?
You're up there for the last 5 years.
No,
So
not the last 5 years.
for the last
17 to 18 years.
for the last 17 to
Yeah,
18 years, seen?
do your research and check
Okay.
DIA award. And me, as a selector, have the Novice Dancehall Industry Award.
Hold on. May I ask a valid question now? You see a lot of young sound been emerging. These days, like perfect example like Liars Squad and a few other long search has emerged. Do you think you guys have passed your prime?
No, never. And there's a thing about dancehall now, because there's genre. Because as a Liars Squad did have a younger crowd with them. You
Yeah.
understand? And Liars Squad will come in a big dance with the likes of the dinosaurs, you know, the people them will go dance long time.
Yeah.
And dancehall people is very funny. You could have play out your belly, they stand up and looking at your face like so. And if they don't see an anti-fresh or an archangel or a squiddly or a lizard, yeah, they will go, yo, man.
That's true. And I see that so many times over here. Like you have. So what can we do to break that stigma?
Brother.
Because like
the people in England is up thing when I like changes.
Listen, we all agree you guys ain't getting no younger.
Me not get no younger.
Your guys' peers that grew up with you guys, part with you guys ain't getting no younger. It's gonna be a new generation gonna step in very soon.
Yeah, but the generation we are stepping have for them generation DJ.
So hold on. what can you guys do as one of the the founding father for the dancehall over here? What we are inheriting, because when you come out of it, we are inheriting,
Yeah,
what can you guys do to make the transition as smooth as possible in terms of showing us unity and teaching some of the kids them the way? Because like a lot of big selector we hear a youth to play a song 300 miles an hour and do like so and do a little small snap and send it to a man. And them now tell them say, yo dog, slow down your song.
Well, for sure, I'm bold enough to go up there and slow it down myself.
Yeah.
Especially when them play reggae songs. You know the reggae songs, them like the Dennis Brown, them and I can't hear it. I go, I'm like, bro, slow that down. I'll
because
go up there and tell him, yo, slow it down. I even do it myself. You get me? I'm bold enough to do that.
Yeah, but not everybody has the
Someone a hypocrite.
Yeah.
You get me? You know the business is a problem. You get me? Them yo, you know much time them build some groups, like some what do you call it, some WhatsApp group, and them had me to it. I may have to jump back out in about 20 minutes. Because the thing with them I talk about, you know,
say negative.
Yeah, I'm gone past that. who run with the dance last night and who never play good and who flap, who can't mix, and you know.
Because the end of the day, we already know like everybody have a good night. Sometimes you have a bad night, and to be in this game, you're gonna go through bad nights and like
just take it when you get the bad.
When you get the bad nights, and I get a bad night already, and like me have to big up Archangel because him come to me and him say, boy Dragon, I want to go on with you tonight. You and I Dragon me no. And me I thought this about 2 years ago, and I really remember that time I say, yo, you could have come to me and you could have point out and say, what me I do? What I'm to your brain tonight, Dragon? And that I think as the older selectors in the business, you guys can give little pointers and tips to other younger selector, because to be frank and to be honest, I think you guys have paid your dues in terms of the business and set up a legacy for us to inherit. And if you come tell me that in a nice and calm way, not in a disrespectful way, I will more than happy to take in what you're saying, or any selector, to be honest.
Brother, and everybody I got give you good advice, brother. Cause them some man want you with them, want you continue mess up just like that, so them have something to laugh and get me something to talk. Cause England people them bored in a brother. Get me say negative things, them run with that. Rather them pull you close and say, yo, you are slow down the song there. You see me? And you see me, I say, so when time you mix that song there, take out a bass there, get me and make it trickle in, get me? And you know, shout over it too much, you know? You just take your time and bring it in and wait. Some man, nah, do that, brother. Get me?
Of course.
Yeah.
I want you to talk to us about the chemistry you have with Grandpa. As I watch you two on various occasions where Grandpa, as everybody know, don't speak much. So how you guys make it work? Cause with him doesn't talk as much, and you as a person talk too much sometimes. How does it work? Talk to me about that.
And me talk for him though. me do the talking for him. You see me? Cause you what going now? Him is a man where him tech telling. He's an Englishman, you know. You understand? Yeah, he's a British man. Yeah, all two bad DJs we may have, and the two of them are British man. And me and them gel.
I'm gonna never know because I mean I hear him talk. So.
Yeah, and if you hear Gappy Crucial, you that thing saying ban, run a back to Bell Rock. You understand? And he's an Englishman. He's born in England. You see me? But we have him knowledge is very verse of the music, because he might do this over 20 years as well. You understand? And me and him a bunk sound long time. From me I play Vinyl Star, and Vinyl Star now have a date tonight, and Shakati have a date. We just roll with him. You understand? And go eat a food. Get me? Because them never have a predominant MC.
Okay.
You understand? So we have the chemistry long time from in the early 2000s. You see me? Yeah, man, I'm good, man.
So when you're doing the organization for the music, is it totally up to him, or is it you making the car?
He's a good follower, you know. He's a man who can follow good, you know. Him you hear him do now. Him leave up the decision to start it to me.
Yeah.
Like him I say, so which direction I go. You get me? And you will see me I stretch my neck, and me I listen, and you know, my eyes there all over the place, you know, and me I brainstorm, and me I say, alright, go here, so. And if I tell him four first song,
you know,
to be honest, that's what a good mic man should do. Read the crowd and say like, here's where you should start. And like, I'm a mixer, but I know the craft of toasting a little bit over a mic, and me know like, as a good mic man, you should be able to read the crowd, because if the first couple songs come off wrong, it's like everything is an uphill battle after that.
Yep.
So, as we say, he's a good follower. He's not really he's a good mixer, because I know you are very experienced, and as we say, you have a lot of confidence in yourself. Like, you will have those songs in your brain, and you come out here, make a nice speech, them, get the crowd attention, then he could pick up the pace after that. And it just work. Because I see you guys work a couple places, like, I could remember this exact party I was at this year in the summer. It was the football ground. I remember when them have the igloo, the headphone party, the big one there. Yeah, and you shell it. Shell, never good about it.
Yeah. Which one of them? The last one?
The last one we keep.
The big massive party.
The big massive,
And you missed the one before that. all white in a Millwall stadium.
That one I was talking, man, where they have the igloo bar.
The
Yeah,
one they attack?
yeah, the igloo bar.
Yeah, man.
That one where you kind of
when the red light come on.
yeah. Where
If you know about the when the
And-
red light come on, that
Tell me
means,
about it every
when the red
time,
light come on, that means
that
everything
that kind of separate
So what
you
I-
from the rest in a little bit.
Yeah.
To me, in my standard.
Lock off the next sound, them man. People are saying, what them about that play for?
I lie. That
Yo,
one,
in
me never
my
experienced
standard,
this
it kind of separate you from a lot of them. Like
Yeah, man.
a lot of people say have status and have title behind them name, but it's like in a 30 minutes, 20 minutes set. Like if you give them the long haul to like do it for a good time, and you was juggling for like 45 minutes to an hour or over an hour,
Yeah.
and like you keep
it.
the pace steady, like one straight line.
Because why am I play so long? Because the way we are dealing with the crowd is like, whosoever they do to come relieve me, like them I say, oh, if me can follow that. You know, so it's like my time like keeps stretch out.
Yeah. So then they get nervous.
Yeah, they do that to me.
Yo.
That's right.
Yeah.
I swear to
but
God.
is the whole you come on? Because remember one time, all right, you see the big 4-4 runners in the business, like yourself, Gangsta Kid, Andrew Fresh. There's a certain demeanor when you gentlemen are player. It's like you control the event so much, it makes it hard. And as you said something before, England people doesn't accept new changes. So when you have that predominant control of the mass and the music that's going on now, it's hard for, especially if it's an unknown DJ coming after you, to come take up that button to carry on over. So maybe that's why the DJs are afraid of.
They even the unknown one, them, the big ones, them. Why you think them forced to try to play before me?
So you feel like the rest of the DJ them fear you?
Some of them, brother. Some of them no one Lizard play before them.
All right.
And like me, I go race out the song them, you know. Me have an energy about me. You know, man. Me have this energy about me where it's like you have it good. You get me? You have it. Sometimes you see DJ come and you see them, me energy up this and them come play along Christian song. I try calm it back down.
It sound like you send shots off.
So well I know.
Man.
And this me I try to find out, see? Let's talk a bit of ball game, see? Like how reaching at the end of the season, see?
Go on.
You know, a 4-side go Champions League.
Boom, bang. Yeah.
And we have 6 side in the little pool, you know. So I wish 2 now make it.
Hey, me not call no name, you know. Me better than that.
Rick, which 2 you think now gonna make it, Rick? Where you overall look for that year?
Me know me I make it.
All right, me I call some of the consistent name them.
Yeah.
Andrew Fresh.
Yeah, Andrew
consistent.
Fresh been doing it.
Yeah. Squidly, me I said this before. Squidly Blue is a sound that grew up on me. Where at first, me never too 100 with Squidly Blue, but over the years, me watch the progress.
A Crystal Blue.
Me realize,
Yeah.
Squidly, Crystal Blue sound. Me know.
Yeah.
And
Me no want them go say I'm me. I tell you, that's what call them that.
no man, me grow respect for that sound there over and Squidly as a MC.
Okay.
Him win me over. And Gangsta Kid. has
We're basing on this year, you know. Who we see been doing it this year
no,
in
me I talk
the
about
street.
this year,
Yeah.
me see.
All right.
And then me see Lizard. Me not see Lizard as much. Me I tell you, cause you're there, so cause you're there south,
To be honest.
and I'm not me there.
Yeah.
Me not see Lizard as much, but me see Gangsta Kid.
Yeah, me the motorway hard, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, me see Andrew Fresh. And me see Squidly. And me see World Power as usual because we they are not. I mean,
Hold on now. I may think you have this a little bit wrong for that year.
Yeah, go ahead, Jordan.
You see that year now? You can once somebody name the night. We not disco movie star Johnny. I think Miss Movie Star Johnny
yeah.
have done better than a lot of these selectors who's in this category where you pick. I think to me I go quite a few parties. I'm talking North and South.
Yeah.
And I think he's representing even the headphone party, him go up on a dead team, but he was playing some song. And I'm going to go to some other party where Movie Star Johnny are going on himself better than some of these selectors. And listen, World Power Sound, I respect World Power Sound, but this year, I didn't feel like there was a potent sound this year, is my opinion, you know. Me no feel so. And Gangsta Kid, I didn't think him go as hard as him could have go. So I think them 2 sound for me take a step back in the line for me that year. I think to be
I wanna
honest,
say them something there.
we can't say we'll get bashing
it's my views, you know. So
Yeah.
It's my opinion, you know. So if a man want beat me for my opinion, so you go. It's my opinion. Everybody entitled to one.
You're
No,
not
but
getting a beat. No.
Well, we have to say it. Gangsta Kid has always been at the front, and him always know if he get around. So anyway, that's another conversation for next time. At the time, short and limited for me. I want to really want to go overboard this evening. People, if you just joined us, Lizard is here with this evening,
And the people on Facebook wanna comment and talk the truth, because we no got the party them, wanna know.
I could say,
We no got the party them, I wanna know, you know, brother. So we can't see what go on at the party them, because sometimes I got some party.
yeah.
I mean, I wait for little of this and little of that, and like, yo, God know, we just have to go on, brother.
But as Lizard said, the people them are hypocrite, and I must say this, one of the most important thing, the problems we have. You see these award shows that I see keeping. I don't think they're genuinely giving the awards to the people who deservingly win. I think they're giving the awards because they're trying to be cool and they're trying to be keeping people happy, or they're just trying to be nice to people. Because some of the people who I see win the awards, they don't really deserve the award for that. Not saying that they're not good, but the award that they win for the time that they're winning for, it didn't fit to me. Because some DJ me see win best DJ, me never see you do anything that time that when you win it for. You were bad before that, and you're bad after that. But the time when them see you win it for, it doesn't make sense. So we have to ask some proper judging of the award before you give the awards them, or have some form of way where you show us how you come to a decision.
Hold on,
Don't just give an award.
That award, to be honest, I have no idea how them do it. If them do it by the popular votes, put a little thing out and everybody vote for them famous. I don't know.
When we usually get award from DIA back in the days, it was like the popular vote.
Yeah.
You understand? And me usually just run away with it, hands on.
Yeah.
You understand? It was like a landslide. Yeah, and guess what? And every time I get an award, me shock, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, because there was people out there where I say, that person they forget it, and that person they forget it. But the people them have this thing with them love my energy. You understand? Because me have this thing about me where me come out with my A game every time, brother.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah, I don't care for 10 people in there, and as long as me even if me sometimes me I play some rave, yeah, some dance, and it not ready. Yeah. Financially, it not ready, but me say, you know what? I go show my talent, you know. Yeah, I'm a juggle, and when I juggle, I say promoter face lean up. I'm gonna say, Grams, come. I'm gonna just go in my pocket and pay him out of my pocket. Yeah. Yeah, sometimes I'll 3-4 months later down, I see the promoter and I say, which one want me to give you a thing, you know? Alright, see, I look a thing, yeah. Then I done start out grandpa already, you understand? Yeah. And I just call that the last. You see me? But I just said set, brother.
Give thanks.
Speaking about the awards, I know they have this category, Best DJ of the Year scene. And me feel like they should split that in two.
Yeah, I not see them keep
hold on.
More.
Any award show you keep, I think that category should be split, because you have Best MC and you have Best Mixer. It's two different things, because you have most predominantly well-known DJ play with a mixer. Yeah. And sometimes the mixer is going on way better than the DJ. And sometimes the DJ, the MC, is better than the mixer. Yeah. So you need to split the category and split the justice, because, like, for instance, you and your son, I think you are the powerful one in that unit. And look, I'm go back to Lawyer Squad. I think that CM Youth Capone is the brain behind the operation. And I could say it with a lot of people. I could do this all day.
When Gangsta Kid and Rufus did that, Rufus was
so
clever. In the
so that's why I say you need to split, because, like, I don't feel like, say, because the years, say, over years to get it, you not to go to somebody who's been carried on the bus like a passenger. But I think you should go to the driver.
But here we're going to them need to make another award then. Best, because the award when me I get is for best sound. Yeah.
Put it DJs and mixers.
No. Me I go get this award for best sound.
Yeah.
Which is Worldboss sound. Yeah. So you make another award now for best DJ. As like an individual DJ, like a gang, like a Rufus. Like yourself. You get me?
Bones them and so
Bones them and them Monday. You understand? And a DJ Corey and you understand? Yeah, and that's so you make for them award different now. Get me? Because if you try to split me and Grandpa kind of thing now, Yeah,
And that's why I'm saying
yeah,
basically, you know, but
yeah. Now split it this up.
yeah,
Have one.
separate.
Yeah, for the mix of them.
That makes sense.
Yeah, and keep it casual, same way.
That's why I'm saying it could do in the same award show, because sometime
Yeah.
I think a lot of these MC is driving on the bus as a passenger. Me not tell no lie, brother. Them not do no driving.
Yeah. What you say? Them not no ice stuff.
And I'm not going.
No a passenger, them brother.
That's true.
Of course. Give thanks, Lizard. You know, the time's out from way.
Yeah, man. Anytime, man.
I know it's a pleasure and it's a blessing to have you here this evening.
Yeah.
And, you know, still whole heap more things to talk about. But as
enough
time.
more, man.
But what's next for you?
We're busy right through. We're busy right through. Yeah, my booking gone up in August already for next year. So you know the thing set.
In the party, so we can look especially for the Christmas or
for the Christmas.
Or for next year, what you planning for yourself next year in terms of party?
51st, and remember it goes back to you. That
Yeah.
my age.
51st.
51st birthday.
Boy, your mother young boy.
Okay, my mom's 75.
All right.
yeah.
So look over the Aries Bash. You understand? The 28th of March, 2020. You understand? It's gonna be in a stadium. Yeah.
So
Make sure. And can we get some social media for you for this?
Yeah, man. Snapchat at Worldboss, Lizard, and get me on Instagram at Worldboss. Snapchat. I don't know how it gets this, but I just said that. You understand? Yeah. Link me. I not really to follow up Facebook still, but yeah, but link me at Robert Rowe. You know?
The government.
Yeah.
so people as they hear it, so on the Instagram that's
Yes.
Worldboss leader _ Snapchat
Yeah.
_ the end. So
Yeah.
get in, follow, share. You know, people, continue to follow the journey on the UpnLive show. Go and subscribe to our YouTube page. You don't know, hit the notification bell every time we get notified every time a new video drop. And remember, this show was produced by World Mag Entertainment, and big up the sponsor them, Shush Print, Vaz Print. And you don't know the thing go. As I say every week, love your brother, love your sister, read a book. Brain power is the main power, and peace, you know, guys. See you next week, right?
Of course. Big up the crew on Facebook before we go. Big up to Alwick. Big up to DJ Kipling. Good evening to Anthony Bling, locked in as well. Good evening to Aldic. Is that Aldic's name? Good evening to Kev Roy. Good evening to Anthony Graham. And yeah, wait for questions. Remember, you go onto the YouTube page and just subscribe to the YouTube, alright? And please and thank you very much. Comment on the videos. It's a blessing. Thank you very much. Join you next week. Same place, same time. Until then, peace.